Hello, welcome to Hyloca. To start your account, go to www.hyloca.com and click Get Started. Now in the login page, click the Create One button and fill in the details. Once completed, click Sign Up and an activation code will be sent to your registered email. Go to your email, click on the activation link, and use the activation code to activate your account. Now, simply go to the login page and use your email and password to log into your account. After login, you will be redirected to your dashboard. And finally, you can update your profile information by going to Profile. That's it, your Hyloca account is active.